Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to turn off retweets on X. So if by saying that you want to turn off retweets on X, you mean that you want to remove a repost that you already made, then let's open X application on my phone. And first of all, let me quickly make repost. Now I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen and access my profile. Now please make sure that you're in the section with posts. You're in the post tab and find a specific post that you reposted. And you want to tap green repost icon under the post itself and select option Undo Repost. It immediately disappears from my profile, and that indicates that I removed this retweets from my page. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.